Frontify is a brand management platform where teams centralize everything from brand guidelines to logos to approved imagery and creative libraries. If your team manages brand assets and guidelines in Frontify, you can now bring all of that directly into Adobe Express. Your logos, images, brand kits, and approved content are available right where you're designing, which is so helpful. Say goodbye to constantly switching tabs or hunting down files. Let me show you how to set it up and how to use it. Open Adobe Express, go to the Add-ons Marketplace, and search for Frontify. Click Add. You'll need to enter your Frontify DAM URL or domain name and sign in with your Frontify credentials. Your company admin can provide an activation key. Once you're logged in, the add-on panel appears on the right side of the editor with your full Frontify library. Use the drop-down menu in the Frontify panel to browse all of your different folders and brand libraries. If your organization manages multiple brands, like a parent company with sub-brands, you can navigate between them right here. This is where Frontify's strength really shows. Your brand kits, including logos, icons, colors, and approved imagery. They're all organized exactly the way your brand team set them up. I'll start a project by choosing a template. Let's say I'm creating a flyer for one of our brands. I'll search for a layout that fits and open it up. Now I'll pull in assets from Frontify. I'll grab the correct logo for this brand and place it in the design. Then I'll swap the placeholder image with an approved photo from our Frontify library and adjust the background colors to match our brand guidelines. Everything you're using here comes straight from your approved asset library, so your team stays on brand without extra review steps. Need this design for different channels? Use Resize to adapt the layout for social, email, print, or any other format in a click. You can also duplicate the design to create variations for different audiences or campaigns. When you're done, click the export icon in the Frontify add-on panel to save your finished design back to one of your Frontify brand folders. Your whole team gets immediate access. The Frontify add-on for Adobe Express connects your brand management platform to where your team actually creates content. You design faster, stay on brand, and keep everything accessible for everyone who needs it. If your organization already uses Frontify to manage brand guidelines and assets, this add-on puts all of that to work right inside Express. Try the Frontify add-on in Adobe Express.